Do you feel like someone's stabbing a knife in between your shoulder blades every time you lift, sit, or take a deep breath? It's frustrating, right? Today, we're going to talk about how to beat that stubborn rhomboid pain that you're dealing with. I'll explain what's causing it, why your shoulder blades feel stuck, and 4 targeted exercises to start getting you some relief. Rhomboid pain is one of the biggest complaints that our clients face. I'm Dr. Joey Seyforth, owner of Combat Performance and Wellness, where we've helped over 1,000 people around the world eliminate their shoulder pain through our one-on-one online coaching program. Let me tell you about one of our clients named Mike. He's a graphic designer who's having that pain in between his shoulder blades for the last 1.5 years. With his job, he spends a lot of time at the computer in a hunched over position. He came to me frustrated and feeling stuck. He had that constant knot, and it doesn't matter what he did, whether he smashed it, rolled it, or stretched it, it continued to keep coming back while he was working. Does any of this sound familiar? Mike saw a physical therapist, chiropractor, and massage therapist, but they were all addressing the same things. Soft tissue work that would give him a window where he would feel better for a couple hours, but the pain would continue to keep coming back. During our assessment, we uncovered what the root causes were: poor posture, lack of strength in the other muscles, and overworked rhomboid muscles. Sound complicated? Don't worry, we're going to address each one here with these exercises. But first, let's talk about what the rhomboid muscles actually are. The rhomboid muscles sit between your shoulder blades and your spine and your upper back. Their job is to help stabilize the shoulder blades during movements of pushing or pulling with the shoulders, as well as other activities such as sitting upright while we're driving or at the computer. When your posture is off or your upper back muscles are weak, the rhomboids have to work overtime and are constantly compensating for it. When the rhomboids are compensating, it causes the shoulder blades to get stuck. Think of a traffic jam. If everything's not moving smoothly, you're gonna run into some hiccups. Except now the traffic jam is in your upper back muscles. Now there's also a connection to tightness in your neck and upper thoracic spine. By not addressing these other areas, you're leaving a lot on the table and not addressing what the root cause could be. Do you feel that sharp nagging pain after sitting too long? Or maybe it flares up during a workout that you're having a lot of pulling motions. These are classic signs of rhomboid dysfunction. Other signs include poor posture during work or sitting, overactive rhomboid muscles during pulling movements and workouts, and lack of mobility in the neck and thoracic spine. Now here's the good news. Once we address all these root causes, the pain can finally go away. Now let's dive into the part that you've been waiting for: the 4 targeted exercises that are going to provide relief and prevent the pain from coming back. Let's start with the first exercise named chin tucks plus extensions. This is freeing up any tension that could be going on in the neck that's contributing to the rhomboid pain. You're going to sit up with a nice tall posture. You're going to retract your chin back towards your shoulder blades, and then from there, you're going to look up towards the ceiling. As you are doing this, take note of where you're feeling tightness and what part of the motion. A lot of people on that first retraction will feel tightness in their suboccipital muscles, or also the muscles that are going down the neck. For the extension piece, a common complaint that people will have is a tightness or pinching sensation in their neck as they're looking up towards the ceiling. These can both be positive signs that this could be contributing to your rhomboid pain. Complete 2 sets of 10 reps with this exercise, making sure that you're not pushing into pain, but you're moving through the motion that feels good. You're likely going to feel a stretch in your neck or even your shoulders. This is totally normal and what we're shooting for.
Hey, real quick, I know that you're struggling with pain and you obviously want to fix it. So if you just text me the word pain to 720-710-4371, I will send you my free shoulder pain fix demo. Thank you later. Now back to the show.
Next, we're going to work our way down and dive into the shoulder blades with an exercise called wall slides. This exercise is designed to teach the shoulder blades to move up and around, stretching out the rhomboid muscles, and also teaching proper mechanics. You're going to head over the wall, place one foot in front of the other, and your hands on the wall. From there, you're going to slide your arms up the wall, leaning your chest forward, feeling your shoulder blades move up and around as you're doing the exercise. Complete 3 sets of 10 of this exercise, focusing on improving your mobility of your shoulder blades and feeling everything moving up and around. The next exercise is banded open books, where we're targeting mobility and strength at the same time with this exercise. You're going to head over to the wall and get into a half kneel position. From there, you're going to have your palms up and you're going to rotate away from the wall, holding onto a band for resistance. Make sure you are following your eyes with your hands as you're rotating with this, as we're getting the neck and upper back moving together with this exercise. Complete 2 sets of 12 on each side, taking note if one one side is able to rotate further than the other, as this can be a contributing factor to why you're experiencing rhomboid pain. The last exercise is an absolute burner for your upper back and is called prone swimmers. We are targeting the low and mid traps with this exercise to offload the rhomboid muscles that are overcompensating. You're going to lie face down and you're going to relax your neck into the ground. We do not want to recruit our upper traps for this exercise. While on the ground, you're going to lift your arms straight up off the ground and slowly bring them behind your back, making sure to not touch the ground during the transition period. From there, you're going to reverse the motion back to the starting position. If you're experiencing pain or not able to keep your arms off the ground, this is showing a lack of strength in your low and mid trap muscles, which can be contributing to the rhomboid pain. Complete 3 sets of 5 to 8 reps of this exercise, making sure that you're not pushing into pain, but you're able to control the motion and own it. These 4 exercises are checking the boxes for relieving that rhomboid pain in the shoulders, with the chin tucks plus extensions focusing on the neck mobility, wall slides to free up the upper back and work on shoulder blade upward rotation, banded open books to combine the neck and thoracic spine together in a rotation pattern, and the prone swimmers to target the muscles in your upper back to offload the rhomboids. Although these exercises can be extremely helpful and a good starting position for most, these exercises are just the beginning. They are not going through all the proper progressions that you need to eliminate the rhomboid pain in the long term. There are more exercises needed to check the mobility, strength, and postural muscles around the shoulder blades to help lock in all this new motion and prevent the rhomboid pain from coming back. If you tried stretching, PT, chiropractic, massage, acupuncture, or even injections, and you're still having this upper back pain,
then text me the word pain to 720-710-4371 to get a tailored step-by-step approach on how to fix your shoulder pain. Do this right now so you don't miss the opportunity to fix your shoulder pain and get your life back. After you reach out, please like and subscribe to the channel. We're putting out daily reels and also weekly YouTube videos to really answer all of your guys' shoulder questions. At Comeback Performance, our mission is to help over 1 million people around the world avoid unnecessary imaging, surgeries, injections, eliminate their shoulder pain, and get their lives back. At Comeback Performance, the comeback is always stronger than the setback.